Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool which will be helpful for research scholars. So it has very unique templates, but very less templates only, but it is very unique and it will generate a better content for our research article preparation. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. So it is called Scholar AI. The name itself, it is Scholar AI. So let us go on to today's video. So before going to today's video, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring out a better content from ChatGPT for our research paper writing. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. As EV become popular nowadays, so this is a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy as a sources. In this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy sources for electric vehicle charging station integration. And also we are going to use different types of maximum power point tracking techniques in this PV and wind energy sources, and we are going to extract maximum power from that particular renewable energy sources and make use of that energy in electric vehicle charging station. So this is going to be done in MATLAB environment. So if you are interested in designing EV charging station in MATLAB, this is the better opportunity for you to make and register our workshop. So thereby you can get a better idea about how to model EV charging station in MATLAB. So the link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. So don't forget to register this workshop. So if you want to learn basics on MATLAB, so here is an opportunity for you to learn more basics in MATLAB. So this is a comprehensive MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced application. So in this workshop, we are going to explore MATLAB environment and basic syntaxes in MATLAB, and also we are going to do 2D and 3D plotting and simulation toolbox in MATLAB, ANFIS toolbox, neural network toolbox. So like that, these are the different toolboxes available for different application. And also we are going to tune PID controller, so live tuning of PID controller in MATLAB. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register this online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. So the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Scholar AI. So here you can see bring your notes to the next level with artificial intelligence. So here you can see these are the templates available. This only limited templates. Here you can see the first one is the notes generator. Next one is introduction. Next one is summarize points, reworder. So this is from beta. Note generator from picture to text. So these are the two different options. So here you can see only a limited templates are available. In order to explore this Scholar AI, so I have taken this summarize points template. So here you can see harness the power of artificial intelligence to quickly and effectively summarize complex information into concise and coherent key points. So in this you can see the entry text here. So this is the content I have copied. So in order to have a better understanding about that, so I am going to show this one. So this is the content, that is model components, PV panels, bypass diodes. So this is the content I have copied. So after that it has generated the summarized points. So here you can see PV panels are connected in a specific configuration. Each panel has a bypass diode to handle shading. Constant block sets radiation and temperature values. Controlled voltage source allows for observing the impact of the PV system. Current and voltage measurements are monitored. So this is how this summarized points are generated the content. So next one is reworder. So rewords your text to whatever you please. So here you can copy and paste a text. So in order to explore that, I am going to copy and paste the same content here. So after that make it normal, or so like that it will asking. So I am going to give formal. So make it formal. So after that you can give perform request. So this rewords your text to whatever you please. So it will convert into a formal content. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see this is the revised text, components of the models. So PV panels, the system consists of 3 PV panels interconnected in parallel series configuration. Next, bypass diodes. Each panel is equipped with a bypass diode to efficiently manage and respond to partial shading condition. So here you can see this is how the content is. So this is how the content is changed. So like that, this rewords will help us to reduce the plagiarism in your research paper. So whenever your paper is subjected to plagiarism, so you can use this kind of reword template to that is convert that paper, that is you can get rid of the plagiarism problem in your research paper. So you can use the reword and you can convert into a better content. So make use of this reworder. So apart from this, you can have a notes generator, utilizes advanced natural processing algorithm to efficiently accurately generate notes from the text inputs. So here you can give the title, characters, points to cover, so thereby it will generate a notes for you. So next one is summarize points. So in this summarize, so you can see, so we have explored the summarize introduction. So in this introduction, you can see employs artificial intelligence algorithms to generate engaging and informative introductions for academic papers. So this one also very helpful for us to make a better content for our research paper introduction. So next one is beta. So note generator from picture. So here you can choose your image and it will generate a content. So let us explore whether it will works out or not. For example, say I am going to upload this image and give perform request. So let us see whether this will generate content. It's not working out well. That is node generator from picture. So let us see whether it will generate text or not. So that is node generator. Node generator is not working. So whether we will see the text output is generated. So it is also not generated. I thought it will be still in training process. So it will be updated after the training, I think so. So this will be also a better option. So for text content writing, so node generator, introduction, summarize points, reworder. So go on and explore this tool. I am going to show the pricing plans. So for free, so you can avail up to some credits, that is around 50 credits. So for this pro plan, that is rupees, that is $10 per month. So you will be having 1000 credits and you can have more than 1 lakh words. So for a year, so you will be having $60 per year. So you will be having 10,000 credits and more than many number of words and letters. So if you are interested in, go on and explore this templates in this particular Scholar AI. So and you will be generate a better content for your research paper. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.